Hello.
Part 5? I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever. Okay, we're almost done here. We're gonna need to fix your sleeves though.
Maybe I don't want them fixed.
Maybe I want them fixed.
Maybe I like them like this. Here, hold this. Always have to hold it.
Yes, you do.
Oh, that's hot. You ripped my dress.
Oh, but too bad.
You oh yeah. You need to fix your face.
Oh, that was mean.
I know.
Am I really that ugly?
Oh yeah. You know.
Please be honest, am I that ugly?
No. You're pretty hot.
Fix my hair. Oh. Fix that in a minute.
Oh, Grandma. You're actually doing not that bad. Have a little bit left still. Not bad at all.
Oh.
Whoops. I said that too soon. Okay. I'm ready for the video.
You're so special.
I can't even move.
That's a good thing.
That's just how life is, huh? Nice.
Alright.
How intense. Oh. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, Grace, I'm pretty sure I'm a mummy, not Brian. Oh. Goodbye, world. Oh.
Oh man. Well, YouTube. Wait. I'm an angel.
Okay. Whoa, great.
The whole roll of toilet paper.
Rewalk.